25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Hi, I'm Maria. At Innovamat, we believe that every kid is a math person, and that math should never be seen as a barrier. Originally started in Barcelona, today we support over 600,000 students and 25,000 teachers across 9 different countries. Our vision to develop research-based, teacher-first math programs led to the creation of Math Journeys, our K-8 intervention curriculum that focuses on closing student learning gaps and building student confidence in math. So what makes the Math Journeys different? 1, it's grade agnostic, focusing on each student's learning gaps instead of reteaching all grade level standards. 2, it builds conceptual understanding and fluency instead of just drilling procedures at the same pace as Tier 1 instruction. Thirdly, it includes comprehensive professional development because we believe that real change happens with more than just materials alone. But how does it actually work? Let me show you. Math Journeys is an instruction-first intervention program using manipulatives, print, and digital resources all working together. The journeys will start with a pre-test. The screener will go ahead and decide the student entry point. From there, we'll recommend a specific journey as an entry point to get to the root cause of student needs. Each journey contains around 10 teacher-facilitated small group stations, sequenced based on research-based learning trajectories, supporting discourse, hands-on exploration, and personalized attention. Now, let me show you how each station works. At each station, students work through 3 instructional blocks. Session 1, around building. Students build understanding through hands-on manipulatives and rich mathematical discourse. Session 2, consolidating. Students consolidate through full color log sheets. They are short, intentional pages designed to reflect what they've learned. Session 3, additional practice for students who need extra practice or additional reinforcement. Rotate through centers offering multiple entry points to the same concept. One of these centers can be Atlas Math, our adaptive digital practice app which follows your pacing and provides scaffolding support when needed. And finally, it monitors students' progress with formative guidance in every session, weekly app reports, and end-of-journey assessments. Interventionists also have access to our Classroom Manager, a simple and intuitive platform for seamless planning and teaching. And what makes these guides unique is that they're not just providing the what, but also the why, supporting interventionists' understanding as they're teaching. Math Journeys uses a flexible instructional cycle designed to build deep understanding in Tier 2 and Tier 3 settings. It's modular. That means that it adjusts to your district's MTSS model. This is how the core pieces of Math Journeys all come together to create a cohesive classroom experience and close students' learning gaps. It isn't just about the materials alone. It's also about supporting the interventionists. This is why with every Math Journeys adoption, you will always receive a dedicated Math Success Manager to support your interventionists as well. For us, professional learning is at the heart of what we do, because real transformation happens when your team feels empowered, supported, and confident. At Innovamat, we only focus on math. We've made a suite of programs that fit all of your district needs and cover every angle. Math Journeys works beautifully alongside Thinking Math. Both are powered by Atlas Math and strengthened through professional learning and community engagement. Math Journeys isn't just about closing learning gaps. It's about rebuilding foundations, strengthening interventionist capacity, and building that confidence for students in math. Students in intervention deserve rich thinking. That's the key to understanding. Request a demo for Math Journeys today and bring it to your district.